Hey guys, Angel here with the Bullish Bears team, and I am making the watch list video for tomorrow, April the 5th, and we're just going to be doing the day trade watch list because we don't suggest holding swing trades through the weekend. So we have the S&P futures pulled up, and you can see it's right at this resistance level. So it needs to break that, and then it has room to continue up. So we will see what happens with futures. So let's take a look at AQB. All right, so I was going to say I liked this one until I saw this. Well, that doesn't necessarily mean something. You could almost say this is like a cup forming. Let's take a look at the hourly. See what the hourly is showing us. So it's a bull pennant on the hourly, like bull flag pennant on the hourly. I think I'll put it on because I kind of like. So if it can break this 325, it's going to have resistance at 362. All right, so bull pennant on hourly. If price can break 325, watch for resistance around 362. All right, so that's AQB. Let's take a look at FSM. Okay, so it is too close to this 20 EMA for me, so I wouldn't put that on for tomorrow. TRNX. No. No, it's rejecting off this 20, so I don't like that. ZKIN. So it broke through and did close above this resistance. However, you gotta look at that wick right there at 184, which it could not break and hold, so I would not put that on for tomorrow. SRCI. Okay, this one is holding its highs on the day, which I like. Let's see, next resistance is going to be 613. Let's take a look at the hourly. So you can see sort of this like cup, and then it broke out into like a potential handle today. I like it. All right, so I'll put that one on the watch list. Holding its highs on the day. Cup pattern on hourly. Watch for resistance around 613 or 618? Say 615. That we were right in the middle. That's SRCI. Right, AKAO. No. PVG. Okay, so this one busted through resistance that we'd originally mapped out, but it does have resistance around $9. That's too close to $9 for me. It could go either way tomorrow, so I'm not going to put that one on. FHUN, no. FTR. Okay, so I don't like that it took a dump near the end of the day. It was like it broke down out of a rising wedge. We can take a look at the hourly. So you can see this tweezer top right there. It was oversold. I don't know what it's going to do. I can't tell, so I'm going to leave that one off. So RUHN, nope. DBVT. let's see, it's going to run into resistance around 950. Okay, so it's like a bull flag, like a perfect bull flag on the daily, or I mean the hourly. So I'll put that on. And 950 resistance. It will have to break $9, however, and then be careful of this 913 that it hit today. Bull flag on hourly. Watch for resistance around 913 and 955. That's DBVT. Okay, let's take a look at SNSS. Huh. How do I feel about this one? Let me take a look at the hourly. See what the hourly is showing me. So it's not oversold or overbought. It's riding the 9. It is going to have a $1.77 resistance, so I don't like that it's only a 7-cent move. So I'm going to leave that one off. So ASYS. I don't like that it went up and then just dumped for the rest of the day. So I'm going to skip that one. CIFS. So it's like a bull flag, but it will run into resistance around 426, which does have some room to go. Let's take a look at the hourly. It's messy on the hourly. Moving averages are all tangled candlesticks. Can maybe see an inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. But it is, looking at the hourly, it's going to have resistance at 407. You can see it tried to hit that today and rejected, so I don't like this one for today, or for tomorrow. So I'm going to leave that one off. BMMJ. Okay, so this has just been going up since March. So for about 2 weeks, 350 is its high, $1.64. I don't like, though, however, that it's just sort of been going up for quite a while and been oversold since March. So I'm going to skip that because what goes up must come down. Right, XOG. Okay, so I like that it held its highs-ish. It's going to run into resistance around 510. See, bull flag on the hourly, so I like this one. Just be careful at $4.95, $5 as well. All right, so bull flag on hourly. We'll see if price can break $4.95. Watch for resistance around 510. That's XOG. Right, let's take a look at AMRS. Nope. It's rejecting off that 20, so let's take a look at TNXP. I don't like that indecision candle. MTP. Nope. It's right at those moving averages. CFRX. Okay, so this one could be interesting if it breaks 50 cents. Because then it's going to have room up to 62 cents or 63 cents. Let's take a look at the hourly. See like a cup pattern. Let's see, where's this? 50 cents. Okay, it's got two different 50-cent levels to break, and it couldn't do it, so I wouldn't put it on. REPH. Ooh, that's messy. Nope. RVP. Okay, so this one just busted through all these moving averages. It is oversold. It's all over the place. Don't like these like high wave candlesticks to end the day on the 5-minute. Let's look at the hourly. No, I'm not putting that one on. It's rejecting off the 200. All right, so let's take a look at YRIV. It's just, you can see this double top-ish pattern, and then it just dumped. Let's take a look at the hourly and see what the hourly is showing us. So it's riding the moving averages on the hourly. However, it's going to have to break that 193, which is, I guess, about 33 cents. If it can break 193, you can watch for $2, and it's sort of a bull flag-ish. I'm not going to put it on. I usually, when I try to force a stock, that's the stock that never works, and I feel like I would be forcing that, so I'm not going to put that on. TYHT is not going on, so let's take a look at CPHI. I feel like this is a pump and dump. And it pumped today, it started to dump, and it could potentially just pump up and then dump again, but I don't. You can see any green day with the wick, it then proceeded to just open up high and dump, so I don't like that. So FSNN is going to be the last stock we look at for today. Okay, so it's filling this gap, and it has room up to this 229, this 9 EMA. But it is oversold. Let's take a look at the hourly and see where the... Nope. Trading in between moving averages, so that's not going on the list. So this is going to be our watch list for tomorrow, the 5th of April. And if you are not a member, then just head over to bullishbears.com and you can go to subscribe. And here you can see what we've got to offer. We have our monthly and our yearly, and with our monthly we offer a 14-day free trial. If you sign up for the yearly, just be aware if you do cancel, you don't get a refund. We do not offer refunds for our yearly because you get access to our next level training library, and it's got, if you've noticed all the options videos coming out lately, those are a really, really, really great strategy to make money in any market. And the great thing about options is that you're just paying the premium, or you're selling and collecting a premium. So you can trade like stocks like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and not have to put up a ton of money. So when people need to grow a small account, typically they'll go to penny stocks and then try to trade penny stocks because penny stocks are inexpensive. However, penny stocks are manipulated, whereas options are not, because you're trading the big stocks. You have clear defined patterns, and there are a million different options trading strategies. So in our next level training library, we offer like the actual, what's the word I want to think of? Like the buy and sell levels, I guess maybe you want to call them. However, if you're going to trade options, watch the videos, because you have to start out simple. You can't just jump in and start trading these advanced strategies right away. So take our options trading course, and I know for a fact that we're in the process of making a second options course with the advanced strategies. So learn the simple options and then learn the advanced strategies, and then you're learning a skill where you're pretty much set for life. Even if you lost your job or anything like that, if you know the advanced option strategies, you wouldn't even necessarily have to work, because these are strategies that will make you money while limiting your risk. And so you're protecting yourself. And that's why I love options as much as I do. So take our options trading course and all our other courses, and you can subscribe and get all the good details and have access to our day trade rooms, and you'll see the live stream on the day trade and the futures, and then swing trading. They're going to be doing a lot more with options in the swing trade room. So just good stuff coming, and sign up and be a member and be a part of it. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, then follow our YouTube channel. That way you get notified of all the advanced options if we do any videos that we release to the public, or it's just going to be for members only, or the simplified option strategies that you can do. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see y'all later.